Hello everyone! What if creating a cinematic video was as simple as using your smartphone? Introducing LAFRYHI Video Factory. Start by selecting your favorite photos, then add your own voice narration. Enhance your story with optional background music. With a single tap, the app intelligently combines your photos, voice, and music into a beautiful cinematic video. Preview your creation instantly. When you're satisfied, export it as a high-quality MP4 video directly on your Android device. Finally, share your video with your audience on your favorite social media platforms. Whether you're a content creator, a teacher, a small business owner, or simply someone who loves storytelling, LAFRYHI Video Factory helps you transform your ideas into professional videos anytime, anywhere. LAFRYHI Video Factory. Turn your ideas into cinematic stories. This project was built during OpenAI Build Week. Throughout development, I collaborated with Codex to review code, fix issues, improve the project architecture, and accelerate development. I also used GPT-5.6 to refine the user experience, improve documentation, prepare the landing page, and polish the overall presentation. Together, Codex and GPT-5.6 helped me transform an idea into a complete Android application. Thank you for watching.